Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm doing a Halloween tutorial because it is Halloween today. So yeah, and here's just me singing like a loser. So here I'm using the matte prep and prime to prime my face, and I absolutely missed my entire face. That is why I'm laughing, if you're wondering. Just spraying this all over my entire face and singing. Okay, now using the Revolution Conceal and Conceal and Define. I thought the shade name was on the bottom, but it's not. The shade is F3. No. I apologise for the lack of my camera focusing out this entire video, but I am just putting this foundation all over my entire face, or with the massive stick thing. And I am blending this in using, I think it's called an Urban Decay diffusing highlighter brush, I believe. Blending it around my face and down my neck with that brush. Now taking the Revolution Concealer in C2, and again, focus camera, but I was holding upside down, so that is another reason that didn't show properly. But yeah, I'm using this concealer and just popping that under my eyes while singing along to Harry Styles. Popping it under my eyes and on my nose and on my forehead. And blending it in with the same brush, the Urban Decay Diffuser Highlighter brush. Now I'm taking the Revolution Powder in P0, which is the white one. I think it's transparent, I'm not sure, but it's like the white one, as you can see. And I did struggle to open it here because I had nails on and they really hindered me in this makeup thing. I'm taking this on an Urban Decay powder brush and popping it all over my entire face to make me look pale as. Okay, I know you can't see it, but now I'm taking the MAC All the Right Angles contour palette in light, and I'm going to be using the contour, which is the one I just pointed to make my cheekbones look a little bit more sister snatched. And I'm using a Spectrum contour brush for this, just in my cheekbones, and I also did a little bit just on my temples and in my hairline, because if you have seen me for a split second, you know I have a huge forehead, so that helps. Now I'm taking one of the Snazzaroo, what they called, face paints, and this is the red one, and I used a tiny face paint brush. I don't know what the names of these are, I'm rubbish at voiceovers, but I'm going to use one of these brushes. It was the tiniest one that I had. It was like a little pencil brush kind of, and I just used that to do this. So it's kind of hard to explain what I'm doing, but hopefully from this you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm doing upside down are they upside down? Yeah, upside down triangles. Oh my god, I'm a div. Upside down triangles underneath my eyes, and I'm filling them in with red to make it look like my eyes kind of ripped open. At first this was going to be a vampire makeup look, which is why I kind of look a little bit confused as to what I'm doing right now. And I was going to do veins underneath my eyes, but that kind of went a bit wrong, so I thought, what can I turn this into? And it turned into this, apparently. So, like I said, I'm just doing these upside down triangles, filling them in with red, and then I also filled them in with a little bit of black as well, just to kind of outline them a little bit, I guess, make them look a bit darker and ripped open. Red, making them sharp and pointed. Now taking the black Snazzaroo face paint, like I said before, I'm gonna outline the red triangle to make it look, well, black, to make it look more ripped and dark, and I need to think of more adjectives to describe that.
She walked away through a cheap pack of cigarettes. Oh, tell me something I don't already know.
So I did the other one off camera, and now I'm just doing the same thing, but like the right way up triangles. So like normal triangles above my eye, to make the rip look like it's in my eye. Does that make sense? I don't know. Hopefully from this you can see what I'm doing. But this time I thought it would be a lot easier to do the black first, like the outline first, and then fill it in with red afterwards. I don't know what I just did with my tongue. But yeah, I thought it'd just be a lot easier that way, and I'm doing both of them at the same time. Just so that then the paintbrushes don't get mixed up and I can do the red at the same time after. I did a video of her before, but I didn't. Thanks anyway. So now, as you can probably tell, I'm drawing on like, it looks like a clown mouth. It wasn't supposed to look like that, but that's kind of what it just turned out to be. It's like a massive red smile, but it's meant to look like a cut, like a wound. Because later on I'll be drawing like a hand climbing out of it. And I just use the red Snazaroo to draw this, and I put that all over my lips and made them look a tiny bit bigger, and I got to stop using the word sister snatched, but sister snatched. Okay, so I also outlined that with black, like I did with the eyes, to make it look a bit deeper and more woundish. And then, doing my best, I tried to draw like fingers climbing out of my mouth. But it didn't turn out very well. It kind of just looks like a black smudge on my face. So that didn't really go well. But first time for everything, I tried my best, and the hand looks like a foot, but it's okay because we're not makeup artists. And I also drew another hand and some extra weird stuff that you'll see now. And here's me attempting to take it off and realising that that ghost actually looks really good when it's smudged. So, next idea, a smudged ghost. Me trying to remove the face paint that, by the way, I am allergic to. I am allergic to all face paint. It stings my skin and makes it really red and itchy, so this probably wasn't the greatest idea of mine, but thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye!